Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am on the Utopia of the Seas and I wanted to show you a veranda room. This is 6308, so I'm going to give you guys just a little quick tour of it. This is a Category 4D Oceanview stateroom with a balcony on deck 6 located in the aft. Right when you enter, you will find your full bathroom complete with your stand-up shower, toilet, vanity, and a decent amount of shelf storage. There is also a clothesline in the shower and all-in-one shampoo and body wash, and I also love the floral tile. It's so pretty and adds a bit of color. On each side of the bed, you're going to have two separate closets. The first has shelves, hangers, as well as your safe. And there are also two small drawers below to give you a little bit of extra storage. This room can sleep up to 4 and has a royal king bed, which can be configured as 2 twins. The sofa can accommodate 2 guests, one on the top and one on the trundle. Next to the door, you will find a full-length mirror, and at the foot of the bed, you will have your TV and some additional hooks. On the far side of the bed, you will find an additional closet for all your hanging clothes. They have a ton of hangers, and it's also a great place to store your luggage. You'll also find a nice desk/vanity that has a good variety of different outlets. There's a few extra drawers that house your breakfast and your room service menus, as well as there is another drawer that has your blow dryer and some tissues. You will also find your beverage cooler in this little cabinet. It's got a little bit of storage there. Finally, you are going to find your veranda, which is equipped with a child lock at the top. To open your veranda, you simply turn the handle up and slide. Verandas come with 2 chairs and footrest, as well as a small table, so you can sit out there and relax. And you can't beat the unobstructed view. It's just great. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little room tour, and if you want to see more of my videos, subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Bye guys!